This is it guys, cats and dogs. Kung gusto nyo na fully dogs devs, kasama dito yung mga malalupit na CEO kagaya na sa Communitas. Marami papakita ko mamaya, no? Pero play, move, and earn at masaya to dahil pwede ka maglaro gamit pet mo, no? So move to earn and papakita ko yung trader sa inyo guys. Okay.
Once upon a time, somebody told me, best friends never forget. I will be always for you, me and you.
Nice one mga boss. So napakating, no? So Universal Crypto Games, accessible sa lahat ng audience na gusto ng animals. And also mga boss, papakita ko lang dito, no? So ayan siya. Your best friends are here, Town of Pets, and of course grow together guys, no? And another thing to consider mga boss, no? Bukod sa sinabi ko kanina, okay, ayan, more than NFTs din dito. Magkakaroon din pala ng pre-sale dito. So guys, very exciting to, no? Tong cats and dogs na to, no? You will have the chance, no? For example, if you pay $120 for the NFT, you can recover the same $120 if you want during the first 72 hours of the mint. So grabe, may insurance dito guys. So kung di mo gusto, pwede mo ibalik. And sila mismo yung nagsasabi, no? So let's move, ayan siya, no? You've run, okay, ganyan yung gameplay niya, very exciting. So may mga iba't ibang NFTs item, golden retriever, ayan, iba't ibang hat. Kung wala ka pa idea sa NFT flipping, i-check mo yung website ko, Danjo Capital Master, no? Para matuto ka sa NFT flipping. Pero kung titignan nyo, Docs Devs, you can check also the LinkedIn profiles. They are there, Pablo Monauro, okay? Even from Instagram, so they are Docs developers, and of course Robbie Joe, guys, pinaka the best, okay? Robbie there, so Sir Robbie Joe, one of the best ever, no? So guys, this is one of the best in terms of almost everything, no? Robbie Joe, no? So, and of course creative director Angel Tromosa. You can also check the partners as well, are Docs and advisors, no? So make sure you check them. And they are here guys, they are Docs lead developer, and mukhang marami nang napagdaanan sa buhay Tomato, so many experience na. So Forbes 30 under 30 yung pinaka CEO dito, no? Yaman, no? So Pablo Economist more than 10 years, yan ito. Si Sir Ivan, Forbes 30 under 30, grabe. Sobrang yaman ng mga to. So roadmap, seed and strategic sale of pet token, launchpad announcements, TGE launch at the game. So may pet ranking, land system, and more mission and challenges. And of course, ito yung mga partners nila guys. Okay? Ayan. Alam nyo naman to logo na to mga boss. No? Hindi ko nasasabihin kung ano yan. Pero sikat yan. So, as you can see, malalaki yung mga partners nila. So, big potential. And you can also check the white paper here. And of course, the official teaser which I showed you a while ago. No? So, it's very amazing. No? And another thing to consider, there's the metaverse experience. You can own your first pet. Alagaan mo siya sa mga mahilig sa pets, no? Sa aso, pusa, alagaan nyo. Pwede rin magkaroon ng land. So may functionality yung land, no? Pwede ka pa mag-upgrade ng land. And ayan pa guys, no? May tire yung land. So may high, medium, and wilderness common. So move and earn, no? Kikita ka bang ito na yung uso ngayon, nagbabike ka, kumikita ka, ito naman may pet ka. So pwedeng in real life may pet ka rin, laruin mo siya. Lakad-lakad ka sa subdivision, no? Okay, sa kapitbahay ninyo, kikita ka. So may frisbee catch pa dito, ayan, pwede ka maglaro, higher rewards, no? Meron din charm contest, ayan, obstacle race, pet ranking, and a lot more guys, no? So you better try this out. It's very exciting. It's a lot of money here. Of course, the decision is still up to you. You should do your own research pa rin, no? Pero as you can see, may VIP golden retriever, no? NFTs are extremely limited, no? So you will get proportional piece of the secondary market forever, no? Grabe guys, so 100% din successful collections to mga to, very exciting. This is the future guys, and of course they have detailed roadmap as well, which I showed you a while ago, and audits as well, and docs team pa guys, docs teams, no? So very important to consider then. So guys, another thing to consider, you can check their community. You can also click play now, okay? Para may idea tayo paano siya nilalaro, no? So, there's no risk here, okay? Make sure you join the Discord already, okay? You accept the invite. And boss, no? Very easy. Pass hands pala to. Nakalapot tao yan mga boss. Okay. 1,980 points. No? So, pwede mo siya i-grow, pwede mo siya i-level up. Okay, so pwede mo daily income times 2,500. Pwede mo na-adjust yung music, ayan. And pwede ka pa maglaro if you want. No? So, the decision is up to you, but so far is so good. And of course, you better join in Discord, okay? Start verifying already. Right now, guys, it has big potential, no? Yung link sa pre-sale, I will link it on the description below when it comes. And you stay updated din sa ano, no? Stay updated din sa... Okay. So, guys, no? Pwede ka mamili dito. Okay, server mo. Option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you choose here. And another thing to consider is the docs team. Ayan, lahat nun sa devs. Roadmap is here. Roles are here. Official links are here. How it works is here. Announcements are here. Okay, so grabe. Can't wait for the whitelist puppy rin, no? So grabe guys, no? So may mga tweets din dito. Stay updated din sa tweets nila, no? Sa Cats and Dogs, no? Follow them on Twitter and all social medias, guys. Grabe. Super exciting nito. Mukhang malaki to. So, up to you pa rin mga boss, no, kung anong gagawin ninyo dito. Pero so far, so good. Very exciting docs devs and a lot of potential, guys. So, this is Danjo the Capital Master, #1 NFT coach in the world, the NFT Master. Kung gusto matuto sa NFT flipping, check my website, danjocapitalmaster.com. This is Cats and Dog and it's very fun, very amazing. Docs devs, shout out to the developers. And also, Dior kayo, no, kung papasok kayo dito, okay, nandiyan na lahat ng links. So, exciting to. Mag-subscribe ka na, boss. Like, subscribe, guys. Dito tayo sa Singapore before nasa Dubai tayo. And salamat sa suporta sa mga nag-update sa vlogs natin dahil sa inyo. Marami na tayong scholars, marami na tayong natulungan. And guys, this is the life. NFT flipping. Check nyo yung program ko. Nasa description na 200 plus students na tayo. Dami na natin natulungan, naging milyonaryo. It's time for you to be the next, guys. NFT is the future. Let's go. Danjo Capital, #1 in the world.